Ryan Helsley has been playing baseball since he was 3 years old and has always dreamed of playing in the major leagues. That dream is closer to becoming a reality as Ryan makes his way through the minor league circuit. We caught up with him as he started his first season with the Peoria, Illinois Chiefs.
In grade school, they'd give you papers, what do you want to be when you grow up? When I was a professional baseball player. I am living my dream now. There's only a very low percentage of guys that play professional baseball, and so I think being able to live out my dream now is pretty special. My name is Ryan Helsley, and I'm a pitcher for the St. Louis Cardinals in the minor leagues. I started playing when I was 3 in Stillwell. We played there from 3 to 7, and then we just started playing high school ball there. So having twin brothers, it's pretty awesome. We were always outside. My dad kind of never let us stay inside. Kind of helped us a lot. We were always playing basketball together, or baseball or football. In high school, I knew I wanted to play baseball in college. Coach Jansen, which was my coach at NSU, came and offered me a scholarship my junior summer, and I signed then. Played all my freshman year, had a pretty good freshman year there, and then sophomore and fall at NSU, scouts would come around every day, when I was throwing and pitching, and that's kind of when it really started to pick up. My agent, he kind of told me, the Cardinals are really interested in you. There's a couple teams, so I was pretty excited there. And then the day I got drafted, I got the phone call saying they think they're going to draft you in the 5th round here in the next couple picks. Are you willing to take that offer? And I was like, sitting there thinking, I kind of paused. He was like, hello, are you there? And I was like, yeah, I'll take it, because it's just a surreal moment to actually say, you're getting a chance to play professional baseball now. And it's every kid's childhood dream to play professional baseball, so that was pretty cool. Down in the minor leagues, we take a bus everywhere, I think our farthest trip last year was around 5 hours. You'll stay in a motel just like you would anywhere else, you and your roommate, and then we play a game every day of the week. I think we only had like 3 or 4 off days all summer, so from June to September, so we're playing baseball quite a bit. Just the mentality of pitching, most people think you just get up there and throw the ball, but it's a lot more of a mind game, and I've learned that more since I've gotten older. You gotta be mentally tough, and if something goes wrong for a pitcher, you gotta have a good mentality and to not let that get to you, so you can't, let the snowball effect happen, one thing lead to another, so you have to be able to shut down big innings and get big outs for your team to help them win. It's a lot of time away from your family and friends, it's a big sacrifice a lot of guys are willing to make, every guy in the minor leagues are pursuing their dreams. It's a tough grind, every day to go out there on the field to play for 8 hours a day, to stay tuned in for 120 games for 5 or 6 years trying to make it possible, and it's a year-round job, most people think it's just in the summer, but in the off-season you gotta work out every day, run, condition, throw. There's a lot that goes into being prepared for the season. My first start will be this Saturday. It's the home opener here. It's pretty special to me. I'm excited. I'm 3rd in the rotation. To be able to start the home opener is pretty awesome.
It's just really a prideful moment. Spend a lot of miles and time driving up and down the road to a lot of baseball games, tournaments, practice. You never really think your kid can, get to the major league level. It's just really an enjoyable time.
It's everybody's dream, to play in the bigs, but reality is not everybody will. Hopefully if I keep working and keep doing what I can do, then hopefully I'll be there one of these days.
Only a couple guys from the Cherokee Nation have ever been drafted. What does it mean to possibly be, one of the greatest to ever play baseball?
It means a lot. I'm from Cherokee Nation, it's in Tahlequah, that's where I'm from, and just to have people from around there looking up to me, it means a lot to me, and to be a role model for the young kids, it means the most, just to be able to give back to them.
Being Cherokee means a lot to me, to be able to represent my heritage and my people, to kind of show the other Cherokee citizens that they can accomplish their dreams too if they just set their minds to it. I just want to go out there and play every game like it's my last. Whether I make it there or not, I always have these memories. I'll never regret playing, because this is what I've loved for my whole life, so just to still enjoy this game, because to me it's fun out there, to be out there on the mound and get to play a kid's game every day, it's pretty special. The recipe for success, I think it's just finding your goal and your dreams and just keep pursuing it. Don't ever give up on it. I've been working for this since I was 3. But I think if you just work hard and keep doing everything you want, I think you'll get there one day.